A home is the most expensive thing you can buy, and you don't get to return it. So one of the best ways to protect it is with a home warranty, and that's what we're going to talk about today. A home isn't just one simple little thing. It's a collection of a lot of stuff: windows, systems, doors, roofs, mechanicals, appliances, plumbing, electrical, and all that stuff can go wrong. The older the house is, the better the chances that it's going to go wrong. I'm pretty careful when I ask for a home warranty. I try not to typically ask for it with an offer unless we know we're going to write a no inspection offer, which were fairly common even until recently. So it's really important that you shop a warranty that works for you, that covers the systems that are most at risk to fail, and covers them in a way that you want them covered. There's a million different warranties out there. They all work a little differently, whether it's a service charge, whether it's total replacement, and obviously the better the warranty, the more expensive it is. So we can talk through those if and when it comes time to write an offer. But a lot of times buyers use those as a bargaining chip to settle an inspection and so on. Right now buyers just don't have a lot of power even in the current market. So a home warranty costs maybe $400 to $1,000 depending on what you want to cover, and you can talk all the way through those options. So we work with a ton of warranty companies. They all have their pluses and minuses, and it's worth visiting which warranty you should order if and when the time comes. So make sure if you have questions about home warranties, you reach out to me. I can talk you through it. Good luck with your home buying process.